back for Manufacturing in the Now, Episode 3. Today I'm going to be talking about the effects of deglobalization on manufacturers. So lately I've read a few articles on the topic of deglobalization with regards to the world's economy, and it got me thinking about whether or not this would affect manufacturers and how it would affect manufacturers. Recently, Atlanta Fed President Raphael Bostic, I hope I'm saying this person's name correctly, but they mentioned in a speech that because of the sustained shortages of crucial industrial materials that businesses right now are being forced to shift from an emphasis on just-in-time to just-in-case. With this new emphasis, does that mean that manufacturers will be okay with sacrificing efficiency for reliability? Well, I think that in the near term, the answer is yes. The pandemic made pretty much everybody aware of the need to be able to change gears quickly, and now I believe that manufacturers and most businesses of the 21st century have the ability and the software to quickly adapt to what is needed. So, if being more reliable than efficient proves better on their cost-benefit analysis charts, the switch will be made. It'll be made forever, however long that is needed. Larry Fink, CEO of BlackRock, recently said that he remains a long-term believer in the benefits of globalization and the power of global capital markets. But the Russian invasion of Ukraine has put an end to the globalization we have experienced over the last 3 decades. There's no doubt that over the last 3 decades, globalization has taken off to a whole new level. But this is an interesting take, and one I agree with only for the near term. By near term, I mean that I think within a half decade, globalization as we knew it will most likely return. We're human, we tend to forget things quickly, and if profits can be increased, we definitely forget things quickly. So yes, it's going to be hard to work with Russia in the future, but Russia may change its views with all the sanctions that have been imposed on them recently. So I think that we just don't know enough to say that globalization as we knew it is dead. So overall, is deglobalization a good thing or bad thing for manufacturers? I think it can be both. I know it's not really your typical straightforward yes or no answer, but it's really going to rely on a lot of different things for each business, and as well as the consumers of the product. For example, there's going to be less supply chain issues because things are going to be made domestically, but that most likely means prices are going to increase. Some consumers may be okay with that, while others aren't okay with it. But no matter if you agree or disagree, I think that we can all agree on that the market is undefeated and it will figure out its best foot going forward. So let me know let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and see you next time.